When a VIP customer submits a ticket, it should go straight to your senior team, not sit in a general queue with everyone else. Routing tickets by organization is one of the highest leverage configurations in Zendesk, and you have 2 ways to do it. Let me show you both methods and when to use each one. Groups are collections of agents organized by function: billing, technical support, VIP response. Organizations are collections of your customers. The power comes from connecting them. Tickets from users in a specific organization automatically route to a designated group, giving enterprise customers senior agents and free tier users the general queue. Group mapping is the simplest approach and requires Zendesk Professional or Higher. Open an organization settings, find the group drop-down, and select which agent group should handle their tickets. From that moment forward, every ticket from users in that organization is automatically assigned to that group before any triggers even run. In Admin Center, go to People, then Groups, and create your specialized group first. Add the agents who should handle this organization's tickets. Then open the organization, click Edit, and map it to that group. You can also add email domains to the organization, so any user with that domain automatically joins it on their first ticket. Triggers give you more flexibility than group mapping. Use them when you need to route based on organization and ticket content. Apply different routing for the same organization based on ticket type, or add extra actions like setting priority or sending notifications alongside the group assignment. Navigate to Admin Center, then Business Rules, then Triggers, and click Add Trigger. Give it a descriptive name like Route Enterprise Tickets to Premium Support. Add a description explaining the business logic. Under Meet All Conditions, add Ticket is created and requester organization is, then select your target organization. Under Actions, set the group to your target team. Optionally add Set Priority to High for VIP accounts, add tags for reporting, or email user to send a custom notification. Add the condition Group is not set if you want this trigger to skip tickets that group mapping or an earlier trigger already routed correctly. Trigger order matters. Organize them by their role in the ticket lifecycle. Categorization triggers run first. Set priority, add tags. Routing triggers come next. Assign groups by organization. Workflow triggers handle escalations and integrations. Notification triggers run last. This order ensures every ticket has all its properties set before anyone gets alerted. 4 rules that keep your setup maintainable. 1 trigger does 1 job. Split categorize, route, and notify into separate triggers. Prevent overwriting by including group is not set in routing triggers. Use meaningful names in the format reason-workflow. Create a fallback trigger that catches any tickets still without a group and routes them to a default queue. Watch out for these limitations. Triggers cannot directly change which organization a ticket belongs to, only routing. If a user belongs to multiple organizations, Zendesk uses their primary org for routing decisions. API-created tickets from external systems may lack organization data and fall through to your fallback trigger instead of routing correctly. Zendesk's native triggers work well for fixed rules, but they can't learn from your historical ticket patterns or adapt as your business changes. Eesel AI adds intelligent triage on top of your existing setup. Tell it in plain English to route angry customers from enterprise accounts to senior agents, and it handles the nuanced decisions that trigger conditions can't express. You now have 2 solid methods for routing tickets by organization. Start with group mapping for simple, automatic assignment, and layer triggers on top for conditional logic. Audit your current routing, create that fallback trigger, and test with Zendesk simulation before going live. For intelligent routing that learns over time, try eesel AI at eesel.ai.